Taking a look at the exploded view on our schematics, we can see our two bottom gussets fit underneath, hidden away on our project. If we take a look at the parts list, we have a thickness of 3/4 of an inch. Because one of my boards has a bad corner, I will be planing a lot more material off of this face to bring this down. But either way, I will be planing both sides of both pieces. And with both planed, my bottom gusset pieces are looking pretty good. I am sitting at a finished thickness of 3/4 of an inch by a finished width of 2 1/4 inches by a finished length of 11 1/4 inches.